Um, this is supposed to be a video for my math project, but I didn't feel like doing a math project, so instead I'm gonna do well, that kind of sums up my life. If I can spell it right, a drama life. Sorry, Miss Carlos. And that's me. I'm just kidding, Miss Carlos. I'm gonna do a drama life. Today we're gonna work on how to graph exponential functions. It's not that hard. Now, to graph an exponential function, we need to have a function. So we'll keep it with an easy function. We'll do y is equal to 3 to the x power. To do this, we're going to need to make a table first. So x and y. We'll use relatively small x values. So we'll start with -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And in order to get our y values, we gotta substitute our x values with the exponent. So our first, firstly we'll put 3 to the -2 power, and we know that we can't get our value from a negative exponent. So we have to put it under 1. So 3 to the second, that is equal to 1 to the 9th, 1 over 9. If I can talk right, also, I hate my voice. So the next one is 3 to the negative first power. So it'll be 1 over 3, 1. And that's equal to 1 over 3. And we continue, 3 to the 0 power, and that's equal to 1. 3 to the first power is equal to 3. And 3 to the second power is equal to 9. So to graph this, all we have to do is plug in the points. You don't need a very big graph. So we need our x values to be at -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So our first one is -2, 9. But before that, we need our y. We'll go by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it'll be -2, 1 over 9. So we'll put that right there. Our next point is at -1, 1 over 3, just a little higher. Next point, 0, 1. Next point is 1, 3. Last point is 2, 9. So all the way up here. And if we connect the dots, we should have a graph that would look something similar to this. Notice that this line doesn't dip below the below the x-axis, and it will never get to the x-axis. And that's how you graph exponential functions. There's not much to it. This video was sponsored by G-Show, so if you go into the description box and you type in, you get a 10% discount if you use the code in the description box. Oh, and Ms. Carlos, I use different color papers to account for my creativity.